So this is the perimeter of the location where I'm going to be tonight. And this is typically what we have. We have this big black truck over here that's always sitting over here in the cut, just a couple of feet away from where I'm going to be, across the street there. And the license plate is B4A7HJ. It's High Country. Doesn't look like there's anybody in the truck. Whoever it is, I'm pretty sure it's parked around here. Probably gets out, comes over when they've been given the word that I'm asleep. And then we got this fake ass construction going on. This was going on last night as well. Now, I just came out of the gas station. I started walking over this way, and that white truck pulled up like clockwork. As soon as it saw me coming down this way, it pulled up. So they've got some fake construction going on over here. And they only want to do this shit at night. They don't want to do it in the day. Now, I don't know what they're doing or what they're pretending to be doing, but it's going to be a different ball game tonight. Trust and fucking believe. We got another vehicle over here. See how it's slow-moing through? This is all they do all night. Is drive through these streets here because I'm located across the street. See, there's no cars coming. You see how long he's paused? There are no vehicles coming. What are you doing? Let's go get his license plate. I guarantee that he'll get on his way then. Now it's gonna be bold. It's gonna hang out. Cool. Maybe we might be able to get a chance to see who's in the car as well. We got T2A35H. It's a piece of shit. Yeah. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Now we're gonna go up and get the this fake ass work truck. See, they were doing this shit all last night, and they only got the whole place blocked off right over here in this area where I'm sitting. And they were out here last night pretending to do shit that they weren't really doing. R, V as in Victor, A as in Alpha, 4, B as in boy, 5, A, Barricade Company. And it's got this symbol on the side of the truck. And I'm pretty sure it's probably some old dirty ass fucking Mexican up in there.